Let K be a subset of R and K is compact. Okay. If we take a collection of open sets like this, then this will be a cover of R. So R will be covered. So R will be covered by these sets where n belonging to natural number, and note that K is a subset of R. So what we get, G forms a open cover for the set K and K is compact. So K admits a finite subcover. So suppose G dash is a finite subcollection of G. Then by the union of the members of G dash, K will be covered. So K will be a subset of union of this, where I equals to 1 to m. Now note that if we take capital N is the maximum of all Ni such that I equals to 1 to m, right? Then what we can conclude from here, that each Ni comma Ni, this set will be a subset of this set. So basically from here, union of these sets I equals to 1 to m will be a subset of this set. So this will be a subset of this. So from here we can say that K is bounded. So K is bounded. Now let us take a point from K complement. So C is a point of R minus K. Okay. Now we are defining a set An by R minus this closed bounded interval. So basically each An is the, suppose this is C and this is C minus 1 by n and this is C plus 1 by n, then the open interval denoting by the white shaded portion, this side will be An. And if we take union of An where n belonging to natural number, what will get? R minus C. Okay, and this will be a superset of K because C was a point outside of the set K. So from here what we see, An forms a cover, the collection An forms a cover of the set K and each An is open. Each An is open. So this collection forms a open cover of K, but K is compact. So it admits a finite subcover. So K will be covered by a finite collection of sets, say Ani, say I equals to 1 to m. And if we take n equals to maximum of n1, n2, nm, then we see that K, we see that each ani will be a subset of an. So this implies K will be subset of union ani I equals to 1 to m, which is a subset of an, and taking complement r minus an will be a subset of r minus k. That means this set is a subset of the set r minus k. Now as c minus 1 by n comma c plus 1 by n, this open interval is a subset of this closed interval. So we see that c is a interior point of the set r minus k. C is a interior point of the set r minus k, and the choice of c was arbitrary from the set r minus k. Therefore r minus k is open set. So this is open. That means k is closed. So what we have proved, if k is a subset of R which is compact, then k is bounded plus k is closed.